Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, February 2nd, 2015. The U.S. stock market is closed. We had just a great day today. You know, I started watching the markets on the open this morning, and it looked to me like it was just going to be a kind of a crappy ho-hum day. And I started planning things to do rather than sitting there and watching this stuff. The Dow came down, actually took out its low from Friday and actually went down rather deeply, penetrating this floor area I keep talking about. We got to the third red line, which is, there's only one red line after that. My thinking is that if it got through that fourth line, it's going to drop a whole lot lower, but it didn't. It did not penetrate that third line. It bounced from that third line and moved a lot higher today. The Dow ended up closing up nearly 200 points today, and I really think that the floor is going to hold, and we are going higher. But anyway, the result of all this is we had just a really fine day. Not a spectacular day, but we're betting 1,000% today. We had only 3 positions coming in, and all 3 of them closed out profitably. Now, nothing wildly profitable by any means, but all 3 were profitable. We ended up closing out $2,000 positive in what we closed out. What I wasn't expecting, however, we actually got into 7 positions, only 7. I would have kind of expected more than that with the Dow up 200 points, but we did get into 7 positions, and all 7 are positive. So we had 3 for 3 on closing out and 7 for 7 on our open trade, and you just can't complain about that. And it was an easy day too. It's, you know, no fireworks, no agonizing nail biting or anything like that. Just a fine, good trading day with 2,000 closed out positive and carrying 8,000 open trade going into tomorrow. Anyway, let's take a look at those trades. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you can see here what happened today. You know, it came down really hard on the open here, and you can see 3 red lines here. There's a 4th line underneath the 3rd one that isn't showing, but that constitutes what I call the floor of this of the Dow, and the 4th line comes in right at about 17,000, and I felt there was certainly a possibility this market could go to 17,000, but I felt this floor would hold, and that's exactly what's happened. It got down here. This is the 3rd line right down there, and it bounced off of that, came up, started retreating again, and then really came back strong in the last hour or so. And as I say, it closed up actually officially 196 points, almost 200 points. And my feeling is this thing isn't very likely to come back down and do much testing with that floor again. I think this thing is definitely going to go back up to 18,000 and higher now. But anyway, very encouraging, because what we're doing down here, the buying that we get is pretty good stuff, and I don't think we're going to see a lot of sellers down in this area. This is a good time to be buying stocks. I'll show you just a couple of the trades we had today. We had a lot of good ones. I'll show you a couple of the good ones. This is SUNE, that's Sun Edison. by the way, solar was really good today. I don't know if it was just coincidence or something happening in the solar energy sector that was driving these stocks, but the solar stuff was really good. Anyway, we bought this, you know, on a pop-up here, and it just kept going, and SunEdison closes near its high, and we have what do we have? We have about $2,000 in SunEdison there, so that looks like a real nice one. And then I'll show you the big one today for us was in Solar City, SCTY, and we again grabbed that right out of the open, and it really shot up here. You know, first 2 hours a day did come back a little. We are holding about $4,000. Yeah, we're holding $4,000 in Solar City in open trade. When it got up here, we were up $5,000 plus on it, so it did pull up back a little, but this looks very strong to me. I don't think we're going to have any problem on that. So just a great day for us, easy day for trading, for Trader Bob. I'm very happy with the way things look right now. I'm very happy. This is a good time to buy. Anyway, that's the way it went today on Monday. We'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.